Hi everyone, welcome back to FAMCO. My name is Miguel, manufacturing manager of the facility here. Bring you one of our newest products in the line. It's a manual damper, which is this guy right here. It's extremely new to us. It's going to go out in the market as of today. The manual damper can be used to regulate airflow and balance static pressure. One of the newest features is this extension. When this product is installed, this right here, this 2-inch extension allows you to change the settings more easily, and it allows you to have more room to choose whether you want it open or closed in this area. It's a cool feature for us and new to you guys. We can manufacture the manual damper in many sizes from 4 to 14 inches. It's made of 22 gauge galvanized steel here in the USA. If you're interested in this product, you can contact us at sales@famcomfg.com, or you can visit our websites at famcomfg.com. Thanks for checking out this video. My name is Miguel. We'll see you next time. Thanks.